In today's video, we're going to be unboxing some magical items from Goddess Provisions. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so I've done a few of these on my channel and I'm loving them because I will have myself a glass of wine and I will just unbox this monthly subscription from Goddess Provisions. Now, they are kind enough to send me this every single month, and I'm just going to enjoy it as long as they send it to me. I'm going to keep doing these videos. I love these boxes. So grab yourself a drink, grab yourself a snack, and let's just unbox this. So the Goddess Provisions monthly box has 5 to 7 full-size products in every box. The products in the box are worth $80 to $100. But you're only paying $33 a month, or if you get the 12-month plan, you're only paying like $27. It's free shipping in the US and it ships worldwide. I think it's actually pretty cute that every single box that is sold, they plant a tree. Not only that, but things in the box range from crystals to apothecary beauty, spiritual tools, facial oils, just a bunch of spiritual things. You guys know that's right up my alley and I love those. So this box and me are a very, very good match. So let's get to unboxing. If my hair looks a little bit oily, it is because I put a little bit of castor oil on it. And it's an oil blend that I actually made myself. It's the lavender and castor oil blend that I use for my crown chakra. So I have that on my hair if it's a little bit oily. Right off the bat, I see some really, really cute things. Okay, I'm excited. So the first thing I have here is Amethyst Charged Butterfly Lavender. So it's a bath soak. Oh, it's bath salt and it's Amethyst Charged Butterfly Lavender. It smells like lavender. This is from Wild Yonder Botanicals. See, this is the kind of stuff I love. Like, I go crazy for these kinds of things. Anything that has to do with essential oils, herbs. And this box is just really nice. So it does come in a packet like this, and that's quite a lot of salt. I would use half of this in one bath. So this is 2 baths worth of bath salt. And it smells really, really good, and it's amethyst charged. That is really... Oh, okay, so it's the ingredients in here are amethyst charged sea salt, Epsom salt, organic Spanish butterfly lavender essential oil, and amber resin, and organic jojoba. Okay, so you guys, amber is one of my luckiest stones. Every single time that I work with amber, I will attract like crazy and manifest like crazy. And every one of you guys has a stone that will do that for you. That's why it's like, it's fun to see what stone does what for you. And I've noticed that amber in my life is very, very lucky. So for this to be amber resin in here, I'm really excited to use this. And I feel like amber's trying to creep back up into my life, and I'm all about it. Okay, the next thing I see, I really like. Let's show you guys. So it's a cuff. And it has all the moon phases in it, and in the middle, it's a amethyst crystal. So this, let's take the scrunchie off. This is really nice, and I think, is it adjustable? Yeah, it is adjustable. You guys, look at the aesthetic of that. I really, really like it. It's really pretty. I hope you guys can see. I'm really excited because I think I'm going to be wearing this a lot. I don't have a cuff. This is my first cuff, and I'm really, really excited. It looks really cute. It says amethyst crystals provide calm, tranquility, peace, and bestow stability and strength. They are excellent for meditation and cleansing the aura. So of course, amethyst is like one of the best stones you could work with. The next thing that I see here, it's a little, let's see what this is. I don't know if it's perfume. So, Love by Luna Crystal Infused Mystic Mani Nail Polish. So it's nail polish, and in here it's amethyst and obsidian infused nail polish. What? Do you guys see the color? It's like this deep royal purple color. I'm really excited about this, and you guys will see this in readings. So I'm going to actually put this on maybe tonight. So the next couple of readings you guys see, this is gonna be on my nails. I'm really excited about this. I've always wanted to try crystal infused nail polish, but they are pretty pricey. Okay, the next thing I see here is, oh, is this what I think it is? Yes, it is. So this is something that is so essential. This is so important for everybody to have, especially when you go on vacation. So this is a dry bag which means you could put anything in this bag and then take this bag in the water. This is a waterproof bag. This is really pretty. It has crystals all over it. It's white. It looks like really, really good quality. Feels like really, really good quality. I'm excited for this because summer is coming. I like to do a lot of camping, hiking, going near the water, and I think this is actually gonna come into more use than I know. Times Band of Weirdos Amethyst Enamel Pen. This is for inner peace, recovery, and balance. Wear as a reminder that you are made of stardust. Okay, this is really cute. So I think what I'm gonna do is put this on my purse because it's a really, really cute little crystal like charm. And I like things like this because how they said, wear as a reminder that you are made of stardust, right? So you want, it's like a sigil, it's a constant programming of your subconscious mind using a thing, an object. So you program this with the reminder that you are made of stardust, and then every time you look at it, that is getting planted more and more and more into your subconscious mind. So I like things like this. The next thing I have here, ooh. Okay, so this is an amethyst crystal, but it's a pyramid. And on the bottom of the pyramid, it's a eye. It's the all-seeing eye, or a lot of people would say that it looks like the Illuminati eye, but it's really nice. You guys are gonna be seeing this in the readings too. I'm gonna definitely be using this in future readings. This was really, really cute. Something I really, really love about the Goddess Provisions boxes is because they always have stickers or like something like this. This is, I think these are stickers too. And it's a hand and then it's a crystal ball. And then it says tap into your psychic powers. Now these things, I love these because I journal a lot, and these would go really cute in my journal and just allow me to express. That's how I express myself. So when I get things like this, I feel more creative and inspired, and just I feel like it's a doorway to get my thoughts out more free, you know, when I'm just more inspired. So these things, I feel like they're really nice. The last part of my unboxings, I always like to tell you guys what is the real price of everything. So this cuff that I have on is $68. $68, you guys. You're only paying $33 for it, plus you get all the other things. That's a steal. Now, the bath salt is $5. So the nail polish that's infused with amethyst and obsidian is $18. This retails for $18. These two stickers right here are $6, so $3 each. You guys, this dry bag retails for $22. So already you're getting so many products, like that's insane. The amethyst enamel pin is worth $10. So this is worth $10, which I think for me that's kind of pricey. I don't know if I would ever pay $10 for something like this, but I'm definitely glad that I got it. I like what it stands for, and I'm gonna be putting it on my purse. So this amethyst inner glaze, it's called Inner Glaze Amethyst Pyramid. So this is $11. So that's actually a really good deal for a crystal like that. So in total, the items in the box far surpassed the month that you pay, $33 a month. I think it's a great deal. I'm really excited. I love doing these monthly unboxings with you guys with my glass of wine. It's so fun for me, and I love connecting with you guys, seeing what you guys think of the box. They also sent me another package. Now, I think I have an idea of what's in here. I'm not too sure, but these are a few of their newer items up in their shop that I'm not even sure what's in here. The first thing I see is, it looks like a tapestry, and already I feel like I really like it. I think I'm gonna be doing, oh, yes. We just had a full moon in Leo, and that's all about, I mentioned in a few videos that it reminds me of Durga energy. Durga is the Hindu goddess. She is a female that sits on top of a lion or a tiger. And so she has like 7 different sisters, 7 different stages that are actually her. Something like that, but this just reminds me of that we just had the Leo full moon. If you guys can, I hope you guys can see, it's all like the females, they're so gorgeous, they're so pretty, and then I'm speechless. Like, I'm gonna use this for some of my readings, so you guys will definitely be seeing this. And if you guys want to purchase your own, I think it's really beautiful. Go head over to Goddess Provisions. I'll leave them linked down below. I'm not sponsored in this video. They just sent me these for review. So Oh, okay. This is fun. Okay, this is really, really fun, you guys, because I've been looking for a new set of Oracle decks. I kind of want to build my collection and get more decks so that I could do more in-depth and more detailed readings for you guys. So I've been kind of looking around and I haven't picked one up yet. And then I open the box and I see this. So this is the Sacred Self-Care Oracle deck. CEO and co-founder of Goddess Provisions, Jill Pyle. It's a 55 card deck and guidebook. So I'm not gonna open this right now. It retails for $24.99. I'm really, really excited about this because I feel like this deck was supposed to come to me. Especially right now when I'm looking for one and then it just shows up. I feel like I pulled it towards me. Somehow I attracted it, somehow I manifested it, and there are messages in here for me and you. So stay tuned for future readings because I'm going to be reading from this deck a lot. Okay, so that is everything that is in the packages. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in Goddess Provisions boxes, I will leave their website link down below, and make sure you tune in next month. Hopefully they send me another box and I can review it for you guys. This was so fun. I love the products, well worth your money. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video.